Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl CeceliaO'sWorld, and in today's video I will be teaching us how to make cantaloupe orange coconut ice cream. Cantaloupe orange coconut ice cream. I call this ice cream orange ice cream. And to make this wonderful recipe, I'll be using the following ingredients. I have coconut flakes here. I have cantaloupe here, the same coconut flakes which I have in here. I have those three types of seeds which I'll be adding on the ice cream just to give it a wonderful taste. And those three seeds are very good for the heart and also good for weight loss: Chia, Hemp, and Flax. I'll be using this condensed milk. I'll be using whipping cream, vanilla extract. I have some almond here, and I'll be using one orange, one mango, and I have cashew nut and walnut in here. So this cashew and walnut with this almond, I'll blend those together, add it to my ice cream. All right, let's dive in. So I'm blending the almond, the cashew nut, and the walnut. I'm blending that now. Almond, cashew nuts, and walnuts. I'm blending those. So what I'm doing next now is to blend my fruit. I'll be blending the cantaloupe, coconut flakes, mango. I have my mango here cut, orange. So I'm blending all this. I'll add the mango first. Mango. I'll add the orange. Then I'm adding the coconut flakes. And lastly, I'll add the cantaloupe. So I've added the cantaloupe in here, and now I'm adding the three types of seed: Chia, Flax, and Hemp. You can add as you want. So in here I have mango, orange, coconut flakes, cantaloupe, and the hemp, chia, and flax seed. That is what I have in here. Now I'll be blending with the condensed milk. So in here I have the cantaloupe, mango, orange, coconut flakes, chia, hemp, flax seed with the condensed milk. Keep in mind I'm making orange, cantaloupe, coconut ice cream. So I'll blend all this together now. So I'm blending all my ingredients. So here's the orange, mango, coconut, cantaloupe, condensed milk, flax, chia, and hemp seed, all blended together to make my orange cantaloupe coconut ice cream. So I have this ready now. The next step is to whip my cream. So I'll be whipping the cream shortly. And you can add more cream depending on the quantity you want to make. I'll be whipping this cream. The whipping. So now I'm adding the blended cantaloupe, mango, coconut, condensed milk. I'm adding this to the whipped cream. And now, and keep in mind I'm making orange cantaloupe coconut ice cream. I've added that into it. And I'm also going to add the blended almond, cashew nut, and walnut. I'm going to add some. So now I'll just whip again together. So my people, the orange cantaloupe coconut ice cream is ready. So in this container I have orange, cantaloupe, mango, coconut, the 3 types of seeds, flax, chia, and hemp, condensed milk, whipped cream, vanilla extract, almond nuts, cashew nuts, walnuts. And this is ready. All I have to do now is to freeze it for 24 hours. And the ice cream will be ready. Please try out this recipe and try to share with your friends and family. Remember, it's your girl, Cecelia O. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, CeceliaO'sWorld. Thank you. So I'm going to freeze this. Our orange cantaloupe coconut ice cream is ready. I'll freeze this for 24 hours and the ice cream will be ready. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the frozen orange cantaloupe coconut ice cream, and this was frozen for 24 hours, and here is the final look. So I took this out of the refrigerator now. The frozen cantaloupe orange coconut ice cream. So this is done. This is so nutritious. To make this ice cream, I use a couple of ingredients. I use cantaloupe, coconut, mango, orange. I also use some whipped cream. I use condensed milk, 3 types of seeds, flax, chia, and hemp. I use almond nuts, walnuts, and cashew nuts. And I added some vanilla extract. And here's the frozen ice cream I freezed down. And here is it after 24 hours. Please, my beloved ones, share this recipe with your loved ones, with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification about healthy meal and drink when I post one. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you so much. I'll see you. Bye for now.